Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukele nazi ezinohlonze eminye nje.
This team, together with the second team, they're gonna proceed and search until whereby they believe everything is under control.
Uyaqhubeka namhlanje umsebenzi wokuthungatha ezinye izidumbu zezisulu zezikhukhula ezihlasele isifundazwe i-Eastern Cape njengoba isibalo sabashonile ngenxa yelenhlekelele senyukele e-28.
What is also deeply worrying is the growing number of young people who are not in education, not in employment, and not in training.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile wethule inkulumo emcimbini obanjule eNorth West njengoba izwe likhumbula intsha eyasukuma yabhekana ngqo nohulumeni wobandlululo ngonyaka ka-1976. Lemukelo esikhumulweni sezindiza iWaterkloof iqoqo lesibili lamasosha ngaphezu kwama200 akade ejutshwe kwelase-Democratic Republic of Congo njengengxenye yethimba le-SADC ebeligcina uxolo kuleli yazwe. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo-ke naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDawu Fungula. Uyaqhubeka namhlanje umsebenzi wokuthungatha ezinye izidumbu zezisulu zezikhukhula ezihlasele isifundazwe i-Eastern Cape njengoba-ke isibalo sabashonile ngenxa yelenhlekelele senyukeleke e-28. Njengamanje-ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC eNkanisa eMthatha uNomzanele Mngoma ukhuluma-ke nongqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle uSisisi Tolashe. Ake-ke siyicoshe bukhoma le nkulumo.
That those who stay where we can identify them, those who don't have uniform and stuff, SASSA is providing all that so that when it's possible they can go to school whilst we are still busy in trying to make sure that they are reinstated in a situation where it's acceptable for a human being. The government is hard at work. We congratulate Eastern Cape Premier in particular and his cabinet as they were there from the word go when this disastrous news were publicized. He was there, he led his team, and he was talking directly to yourself on exactly what is going on. He was involved in making sure that those who could be rescued, he was part of that. We are very happy to see such provincial government who's not talking about that they care about their people, but we must see them hard at work. We join that. It really encouraged us to come. I'm here not myself only, I'm here with the DG of Department of Social Development. I am here with the CEO of SASSA. I am here with the CEO for NDA, which is the entire portfolio is here. So there will be no need for you to write a letter to anyone, but all decisions will be taken on the spot. But in the center of this, we all agreed that we must bring our internal audit committees so that as we spend, they can assist and look closer whether we are spent accordingly. We spend accordingly. If there's a need to redirect anything, that decision must be taken and informed, because we don't want to sit like it was the case with COVID, with fruitless and wasteful expenditure. We want to guard against that as early as when we are spending. And thank you very much.
Minister, thank you. My name is Malungelo. Just a quick one. My name is Malungelo Boy from Newsroom Africa. So while people have been housed in halls, right, there are those that still remain in communities, and they're battling. Some don't have food, some don't actually have water. Water seems to be one of the major concerns. Will you be talking to the municipality, the OR Tambo District Municipality, to at least provide water to some of the people that have been affected?
They are here. They have directed us. As such, when we are done here, we're going to get into those areas where many of them are kept, but also are going to visit individual families that are also to an extent displaced. Yes, water is a problem in the whole area of Mthatha for obvious reason, and this is why we have Gift of Givers with us, because they will provide such things, logistical things that will take time to be procured by municipality, but our partners like Gift of Givers can provide such. It is happening as we speak. Yes, it might take time sometimes, but also you must know that they must also procure those through their own processes to have water. It's important, but you can't just go and take water from a shop. You must buy. Before you buy, you must quantify. We are appealing to our people to be a little bit patient, otherwise their plight is known and recognized. Every one of us is here, our partners are here to make sure that we rescue our people to the situation that they are in at the present moment.
What will you be telling the families that you visit? Families that have lost loved ones, the families that are still searching for loved ones?
Yes, fortunately, I'll be telling them that indeed I am with them on the loss that they've gone through. For those who have not identified theirs, we all know that our people specialists are busy in trying to find them. Divers and every resource that we have are hard at work in trying to make sure that we found them. Yes, it will not sound to them because they are devastated, but it's a reality that if our divers are there in trying to find them, once it's dark, it's become very difficult to get there because it's dangerous. But good about it.
Alright ke uyena kanjani ungqongqoshe ke wezenhlalakahle usisisi eTolashe izwakalisa ukuthi njengoba bekhona ke lapha ke endaweni ubonga nje kakhulu lapha abaphathi bakusoke lesasifundazwe ukuqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke na kanjani ke benza okusemandleni ukuba nabo ke bathungatheke abantu abamuka kuzona ke lezi ikhukhula lapha ukuthi bazozama bavakashele ke nemndeni yazo ke lapha ke izisulu zazo lapha ke izikhukhula. Kanti kuba sihlabela phambili iphini ke likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile wethula inkulumo emcimbini obanjelwe eNorth West njengoba izwe likhumbula intsha eyasukuma yabhekana ngqo nohulumeni ubandlululo ngonyaka ka1976 ubaluleke ukwentuleka kwemisebenzi njengenye ezingqinamba ezinkulu ezibhekene nentsha yekuleli.
The reality is that many young people in South Africa are not living the future they hoped for. They are confronted by high levels of unemployment, inequality, and a lack of access to opportunities, especially in the digital world. As government, we acknowledge that for these young people, their reality remains unstable, undesirable, and unsustainable. According to Stats SA, young people between the ages of 15 and 34 make up just half of South Africa's working age population, about 20.9 million people in number. However, far too many of them can't find work, especially those between the ages of 15 and 24. Currently, South Africa's unemployment rate has gone up to 32.9%. And if we include people who gave up looking for work, the rate jumps up to 43.1%. The latest data from the quarterly labor force survey shows that more than half of young people aged between 18 and 34 are unemployed. This is one of the highest levels we have ever seen, and it is of great concern to all of us. Even our graduates are struggling, with nearly 1 in 4 graduates struggling to gain employment. This is more than just an economic issue. It is a moral emergency. It affects our whole society and demands urgent action from all sectors, government, business, and the community at large.
Njengamanje amaqembu ehlukene abambeke imicimbi yosuku lwentsha ezindaweni ke ezahlukene ke iDemocratic Alliance ke ikhona ke nayo ke ibambe umcimbi losuku lwentsha ke kaMasoyi khona ke eMpumalanga kanjalo kanti ke nomengameli wawulaphele ke umkhonto wesizwe uJacob Zuma wethula ke uphiko lwentsha lwaloke leli qembu lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal endaweni lapha ke iClermont ke kanti amanye amaqembu singabala ke iEconomic Freedom Fighters kanjalo ke IFP wona ke abambeke imicimbi ke yosuku lwentsha ke einkundleni ke ezahlukene ke eMlazi enyakatho yeTheku nakhona ke lapha esifundazweni ke saKwaZulu Natal kanti kuyaqhubeka nomcimbi wosuku ohanjelwe ke iphini likaMengameli ke lapha ke uPaul Mashatile oqhubeka lapha ke eNorthwest. Lithelekile iqoqo lesibili labasosha ngaphezulu kwama200 abejutshwe eDemocratic Republic of Congo njengengxenye yethimba leSADC ebeliyogcina uxolo eDRC. Amasosha amukelwe ke ojeneni abaphezulu enkanjeni eWaterkloof Air Force Base ePitoli.
Ukubuyela ekhaya kwamasosha kube umzuzu wenjabulo nokukhuleka nakuwo ngesikhathi efika eWaterkloof. Lamasosha eSNDF ayingxenye yalawo abejutshwe esifundeni saseGoma eMpumalanga yeDRC ukuyogcina ukuthula. Umkhuzi wamasosha uGeneral Rudzani Maphwanya ukholelwa ukuthi maduzane sizotholakala isombululo soxolo phakathi kahulumeni waseDRC neM23.
We were concerned that our youngsters must come back. We were instructed by the leadership of SADC to go and engage as the initial stage to allow for the peace process to unfold. So we went to Goma. They say you don't speak to your friends. If you want to resolve any issue, you speak to those that are against you. So we had an engagement with Makenga. It's not a secret, the leader of M23, and we came to an agreement and said it is indeed necessary to negotiate and engage so as to be able to ensure that peace prevails in Eastern DRC.
Uhlelo lokubuya kwawo ekhaya liqhubeka ngokweyigaba njengoba efika kancane kancane. Umthamo omkhulu wempahla yamasosha okubala kuwo nezikhali kuzofikela ichwebeni laseThekwini. Osekuzokwenzeka njengoba efika izikhawu azobe sedlulela enkanjini eseBloemspruit eBloemfontein lapho ezohlinzekwa khona ngosizo lokweluleka ngokomqondo ngaphambi kokuba anikwe ithuba lokuya ngasemakhaya.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa osefikile kwelaseCanada lapho emenywe khona ngokukhethekile undunankulu wezwe uMakhani engqungqutheleni yamazwe ohlaka lwe-G7. Le ngqungquthela ke yamazwe yagabe ngomnotho osimeme emhlabeni jikelele kulindele ukuthi ibhunge kakhulu ngezinxushunxushe esigubuzele eMiddle East kanye nempi ebonakale iya ngokuqina phakathi kwezwe lase-Iran nelakwa-Israel.
Umengameli waseNingizimu Afrika uCyril Ramaphosa umenywe ngokukhethekile engqungqutheleni yamazwe e-G7 eqhubekayo. Ekufikeni kwakhe eCanada usebe nomhlangano nondunankulu wezwe elingosokhaya be-G7 kulonyaka uMakhani. Uhulumeni waseCanada ugcizelele elokuphokophelela uqiniswa kobudlelwane bokubambisana nelaseNingizimu Afrika njengoba ngasekupheleni konyaka izobe isingethe ingqungquthela enkulu yamazwe ohlaka lwe-G20.
We've met a bit in the past, and I've been a long admirer of your leadership of South Africa, and now your leadership of the G20. Yes. And the world is very much in your hands at a crucial time. And if I may say, from a Canadian perspective, the strength of the ties between our country are great, including down to the level of assistance in natural disasters. And
we've had a long relationship, and we're very proud of the way that we deal with each other. We support you with fires, you support us with investments, and you've supported our just energy transition, and we're really delighted. So our relations are strong, and we're particularly pleased to be here.
Bobabili labaholi baphinde babhunga ngamaphuzu aphathelene nokuthi kungabhekwana kanjani nezidingo ezifana nodaba lokukhiqizwa kogesi owenele ohlanzekile onganokubeza imvelo. Inselele ngokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu emhlabeni nezithinta ezamagugu ambiwayo. Baphinde bavumelana ngelokuthi kuzofanele uqiniswe nezikhonkwane zokukhulisa ukubambisana ngokwezomnotho phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neCanada.
Bukele sisathi qo ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT. Ela kwe-Israel selisonge ngokuthi lizoqhubeka nokugadla e-Iran njengoba sekungusuku lwesihlanu namhlanje ibambene ngesihluthu phakathi kwalamazwe. Bukele sikubingelele sukwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi njengamanje amaqembu ehlukene abambe imicimbi yosuku lwentsha ezindaweni ezehlukene i-Democratic Alliance kanti ke ibambe umcimbi wosuku. Okay, sixolise mbukeli ke ngaloko kanti ke masibuyela kanti ke mbukeli ke sikubingelele. Alright ke mbukeli ke njengamanje amaqembu ahlukene kabambeka imicimbi yosuku lwentsha ezindaweni ezahlukene i-Democratic Alliance ke yona ke ibambeka usuku lwentsha njengoba ke ubona ke njengamanje amaqembu ke ayaqhubeka ke lapha nemicimbi ke njengoba i-EFF kanye ke ne-IFP ikhona ke lapha ke ezikundleni ke ezahlukene khona ke lapha endaweni yaseMlazi. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku SABC Plus ngena kuza uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjalo uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Izwe Israel lithi ke lizoqhubeka nokugadla i-Iran njengoba ke sekungusuku lwesine ke namhlanje ibambene ngesihluthu phakathi kwalamazwe.
Manje sekunokwesaba ukuthi lolu dweshu lungase libhebhetheke lungabe lisalawuleka. Bayisho mnantathu abantu ababulewe ngenkathi iIran iphindselela kwela kwa-Israel kwathi abaningi balimala. Ela kwa-Israel lithi Iran izoyikhotha imbenge yomile njengoba isibulale izingane nabesifazana bengenze lutho. Kafushane uthi balana ngenxa yalempi nokuyimpi eseziqonda kahle izakhamuzi kwa-Israel. Uthi amasosha abagcwele inkalo iIran izokhokhela lo monakalo wenzile nokuyinto eyenze ngenhloso uthi bazohlasela njalo. Undunankulu kwa-Israel uveze igumba abacashe kulo nokuyigumba elingazange liphazamiseke ngenkathi behlaselwa. Kafushane uthi ngiphakathi kwegumba eliphephile lokuyigumba okungenzekanga monakalo kulo ngisho isithombe azange siphazamiseke. Iphathimandla ithe njengoba abanye beshonile ukhona nabasalahlekile abangakatholakali kulandela khona lokhu kuhlaselwa.
I-ANC ithi seyamukele amalungu amasha avele emaqenjini ezombusazwe okuyi-EFF ne-NFP lokhu kuze njengoba leli qembu lethule umkhankaso wokuvuselela ukwethenjwa kwalo i-Asiyekhaya eMtshezi esifundazweni eKwaZulu-Natal.
I-ANC ithi semkhankasweni wokuvuselela ukwethembana nokusebenzisana esifundazweni isonke. Lokhu kuza ngemuva kokukhala ngaphansi kwaleli qembu okhethweni lukazwelonke langonyaka odlule kanti ngenxa yaloko lapho oqeleka ukuthi lingene kuhulumeni wobumbano kwaZulu-Natal. Lokhu kuphinde kwaholela ekutheni ikomidi lesigungu esiphezulu lithathe isinqumo sokuhlela kabusha uhlaka lobuholi besifundazwe. Leli qembu lithi umkhankaso we-Asiyekhaya uhlose ukuheha abantu ukuthi babuye ku-ANC.
Sizothi ke asibuyelela kade sikho sikhohlwe yilabo abantu asebeqhamuke emaceleni abanye baphume ngamawindi enhlanganweni kaKhongolose abanye baphuma nje sihleli bathi basayochama kanti bogila imkhuba ngaphandle manje ke sizoyiqoqa leyo nto sobachazela kahle umlando kahle okhona sibabuyise abantu enhlanganweni.
Umchunu ushaye indiva umbuzo wokuthi uzosingenela yini isikhundla esiphezulu ku-ANC.
Kuyiphuthu ukuthi kungathiwa indawo yake yaba nomongameli kaKhongolose ibisidlala nje ukudukiswa kwabantu sizoqoqa sizobuyisa sizokwakha kabusha uKhongolose.
Sisazinzile isimo e-Eldorado Park eGoli ngemva kwesigameko sokudutshulwa kwabantu abathathu abashoneke kuleya ndawo ngempela sonto kanti kubikwa ukuthi kuvele kwatheleke imoto emhlophe kanti abantu abangaphakathi abazange babuze bavele bavulela ngenhlamvu kwashonaka abantu abathathu kanti oyedwa wembula kwembesa kuyena esibhedlela.
Muzi zithi kunzima kakhulu ukuhlala kule ndawo njengoba ihlale ivika uhlamvu nsuku zaphuma ayikwazi nokubungaza usuku lwentsha ngenxa yololu dungunyane.
As a youth, I don't even feel like enjoying Dad's Day because we lost too many brothers.
Umama wesinye seyisule idutshulwe ngomgqibelo ukhihle sikanandi Sililo uthi besevele lunywa indlebe ngokuthi lizolala amazolo isho bendodaneni yakhe.
I was threatened with my child's life on Monday, like last week Monday. That's one of the first gun boys called me and told me that my child is gonna die, they're gonna kill him. And I went and I told him, you can't threaten me with my child's life. How can you be so cruel and tell me that you're gonna kill my son? He's gonna be killed.
Lo mama uthi yantsontsotha imjunje enhlizweni akakholwa ukuthi ingane yakhe obekuyiyona yodwa ayisekho emhlabeni.
I'm so broken, I can't even say anything else, but it's sad, it's everything. I can't even express how painful I feel inside.
Amaphoyisa anxusa noma ngabe ubani ongaba nolwazi ngalesigameko ukuba wathinte ukuze kuzokwenziwa ubulungiswa. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla eindabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Ukelo umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakazi ubukeli siyabuya. Bukeli usale kahle.